Guess what, NC fam? I finally blow dried my daughter's hair for the very first time, and this is her quick and easy blowout routine. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So mamas, I'm working on freshly washed hair. I've already applied her leave-in conditioner to her hair in the shower. I applied her leave-in conditioner to her twist, so I never took the twist out. So now I'm just going to section off her hair, work with one section of twist. I'm going to unravel the twist and then really make sure that I work the leave-in conditioner into her hair. And I'm doing this because I want to ensure an even spread. Also, important thing to note is that I'm working on damp hair. So her hair's about 50% dry. I never like to blow dry hair when it's wet, just to avoid any damage. So I'm now going to spritz her heat protectant onto her hair, and I like to do this from root to tip and really take my time to work that heat protectant into her hair. And I want to do this to give the heat protectant an even spread. Guys, this is her first ever blow, as I mentioned before, and I don't want to take any risk when it comes to heat damage. Now for the star of the show, the Revlon blow dry brush. Now this is the blow dry that I use on my hair and really enjoy using, and I'm using it on my daughter's hair. And as you can see, it's so easy to use. I start from the ends and I work my way up to the roots, and I do this in steps just to ensure that she doesn't experience any breakage, tugging, or any form of pain. Now, the great thing about this blow dry brush is that it made blow drying her hair a breeze. Now, she has a lot of hair. She has tailbone length hair to be exact, and it literally took me about 30 minutes to blow dry her entire head. So that was amazing. So once I'm done blow drying this section, I twist it up and then move on to the next and repeat the steps. Now, mamas, before we continue on to what I use on her hair after blow drying, and I'm going to show you how I trim her hair very quickly, I wanted to let you know that if you are currently struggling with your little one's regime, you're not sure how to create a regime, what to do in terms of a regime in general, I want you to click the link below this video and download your free guide on how to create the most effective regime for your little one. This guide is really going to help you to put all the puzzles together. Okay, mama, so what you see me doing now is unraveling her twist. I have finished blow drying her hair, and just look at the results, mamas. I really wish you could touch her hair literally through the screen. Her hair feels so soft, it's fluffy, it's bouncy. Just look at it, honestly.
Wow.
You love it? You go, girl. Honestly love their hair so much. But anyway, guys, quick length check before we continue. Okay, so now I'm going to apply her finishing cream to her hair. Now this cream by Carol's Daughter I love so much. I also use it on my blow dried hair too, and it just gives the hair a nice finish. It gives it a nice sheen, and it also makes her hair feel so soft and smooth as well. We don't want no crispy dry blown out hair over hair. Come on now, you better shake your hair. Show them what you're working with. Don't mind me, guys. So after blow drying and adding cream to her hair, I realized that her hair needed a trim. It's been a while, and also I wanted to give her a thorough trim. I usually trim her hair in twists, but this time I wanted to trim her hair loose just to give her that thorough trim. As I mentioned, this is also the first time I'm trimming her hair this way, and it actually turned out quite good. So stick with me, but let me show you how much I'm going to trim. Hopefully you can see this. I want to trim about just about this point, so not that much, but where it's a bit see-through I want to take that bit off, so just about there or slightly lower. So what I'm doing right now is using the rat tail comb, so a smaller or closer together tooth comb, just to make the ends smooth, and then I'm going to trim the ends off. So as you can see, it's not that much, but I'm trimming a good amount to give her a nice shape. Once I'm done with that section, I literally repeat on all the other sections until I'm done. So I work in 4 sections and divide those sections into smaller subsections. So I finished trimming her hair, and her hair looks good. As you can see, I haven't trimmed off that much. If I get her to sit up straight and put her head straight, you'll see that. Can you see there? It's not that much. She's still got her length, but she's got a nice shape, and her hair appears to be a little bit more thicker since I gave her this thorough trim. If you see here, not that much, but her ends look good and healthy. For those of you that are wondering how I was able to grow my daughter's hair to tailbone length by 6 years old, check out the video on the left hand corner of this screen. Click that video, and in that video I'm going to share everything.